My name's Mark Dukes. I'm a crane operator for Crane Rental in northern Kentucky. Just got us a new link belt, 175 AT. Well, we've replaced a digital board sign here at Paul Brown Stadium, and now we're just removing some old iron, and we're going to put up some new frames for some banners. Easy to get your head wrapped around. The storage on the outrigger floats is pull one pin, easy, versus most of the others pull two pins, slide out. Just compact too for a 175-ton crane, getting around the job sites and up and down the road, tight city streets. Smooth running machine. It's got real fine metering, so you can turn it up as fast as you want to go, or you can slow it down as slow as you want to go to a stop. So much simpler, easier. Also, on the auxiliary shiv, it just swings out of the way. So if you're doing multiple part reeving on your block, you can just swing it right out of the way and leave it there. And you can also leave it in the stove or erected position and still swing the smart fly without getting into the auxiliary shiv.